Hi, Louis. Are we outside? Yeah. There goes Izzy. She's trying to get away. Oh my goodness. Crazy girl. Crazy girl, Louis. Come on, Izzy. Come this way. Come closer to me and Louis. It's the first time coming outside with both of them. Yes. There's Louis. She's out safely. Yes. She's like, Mom, why are you going in circles? We usually just go in a straight line. Excuse me? Oh, you found a tree branch. It's just a twig, but to her it's a branch. Right, Louis? Isn't it pretty out here, Louis? Huh? Izzy's like, let's go, Mom. Let's go. Hey, you got it on your neck. There you go. Get it off your neck. There you go. Silly girl. She's silly girl, Louis. Yeah. Where's she going? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where's she going, Louis? Checking out all Grandma's flowers. Look at how big they've gotten since that last video I put up. That video, even though I put it up this week, was from a week ago. Just because I didn't get a chance to get up there. Did I, Izzy? Hey, you're going to strangle yourself. Don't do that. You're going to upset Louis. You alright, Louis? Yeah? I got you. I got you. Oh my goodness. Can't believe our woodchuck's gone. I'm so sad. I really hope she didn't have babies before they took her away. Because that'd be sad. They would be stuck down there. Don't go on the other side of the fence. What happened to Grandma's fence? It's got a hole in it. We're going to have to fix that before Izzy ever learns to go without a leash. Yeah. Come on. It's all right. I got you. Yuck. Caca. And there she goes. She's zooming off. Are you trying to fly? You can't leave me. I got you tethered to me. You're tethered to me. I know you're looking. You're hoping to. And Izzy's spinning us around. Izzy, you're spinning us around. Careful. Careful, Louis. I got you. I got you. We're not going around in circles anymore, Izzy. You're scaring Louis. Oh, you want to fly? Oh, Louis, do you want to fly? Fresh air at Grandma's house. Yup. Fresh air at Grandma's house. What do you think, Louis? Huh? You getting some fresh air? Yeah. Izzy's being a stinker. Izzy's being a stinker. She's like, I'm just playing, Mom. I'm just having fun. Every time you move, though, you move Louis. Right, Louis. There she goes again. She's pulling on us, Louis. I got you. Oh, don't get mad. Well, get up there. Get up there. Oh, she's up high now. That's all right. You can be up high. Leave that alone. That's what keeps you with me. Hey. What are you doing over there? Don't chew on that. We need that. That's what keeps you there. Yeah, Lewis, don't be a bugger. She's like, but Mom, I want to be out here, but at the same time, I don't want to be tied to you. It's called safety, Lewis. Yeah. What's Izzy doing? There she is. You silly girl. Are you teasing me? Are you teasing me, Izzy? Yeah? Oh, you hear those birds, Lewis? You hear those birds? Huh? Hey, hey. Hey, hey. What are you doing, silly girl? She goes, I want to play, Mom. I want to play. You got to stay back here. We don't go in the front. No, the front's where the cars are. Right, Lewis? Lewis is like, I'm still chewing on things over here. She said, I'm chewing on the string you got attached to me. I'm trying to keep you safe, baby. I'm trying to keep you safe. Yes. Took the knot out of it. Mm-hmm. Izzy's like, well, I'm stuck to a string, Mom. She's a crazy girl stuck to a string. Caca. What are you doing? You having fun? Come on. Come on. Come on. We gotta let her get her exercise, Lewis. Because she's crazy. She needs her exercise. Get over here, silly. Get over here, silly. Hey. I see you. There she goes. Hey, you can't go any farther than that. That's as far as the string goes. Silly girl. Silly girl. Come on. Hey, I see that. You're so silly. Get those zoomies out. Get them out. Get them out. Are you enjoying this? Huh? Yeah? Lewis is like, I don't know, Mom. At least I didn't leave you in the cage. Can't just leave you running free in Grandma's house when I'm not inside. And I didn't put a sweater on you. Bonus for you. What do you think, Izzy? Oh, you almost ran into me. You almost ran into me. Come on. Come on. How am I supposed to keep up with you? Huh? You're spinning Lewis around. Lewis is like, what are you doing to me? You're spinning me in circles, Mom. There's babies over here. Come see the babies. Come on, let's go see the babies. Come on. Right up in there. Somewhere. These babies. Yep. Izzy, what are you doing down there? I gotta spin around. Spin, spin, spin. There. What you doing up there? I see you, Louis. She's like, okay, Mama. I'm just having fun. Hanging out on your hoodie. Girl down here is going crazy. Spinning us around. Come on, Izzy. What are you chewing on now? Cacas. Cacas. Just like a little kid. Putting everything in your mouth. Yes. Come on, Izzy. Come on, Izzy. Silly girl. All right, we're going to keep playing.